Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at CRM Salesforce, and on this chart we are tracking this larger uptrend as a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then this would be another 1-2 setup, and then this would be the third wave up. And this is where I actually want to discuss about some changes I'm thinking about making that I think I prefer a little more to the scenario we are currently tracking on a long time frame. And it's mainly due to the structure here of this fifth wave that, yeah, it looks pretty corrective. It's pretty hard to make a count in 5 waves in this movement to the upside. I can count it easily as an ABC, but I don't really see a proper way to make it work as a 5-wave move. So it's either that this is not really a fifth wave to the upside. It could be a wave 1 of the fifth wave, so the green scenario still works out perfectly, but then we would still need a few more waves before we can consider this complete. Then we also have the possibility that this is instead an ABC pattern, where we have an overshooting wave B and we would still be within the fourth wave. But in that case, we would need to reach the support zone still once again. And yeah, the positive thing is that the support zone would move quite a lot higher in this case, and it would really be between the $169.6 level down to the $85.9 level. Now, technically, both interpretations work just fine. It's just that I didn't really like too much the idea of counting this movement as a 5-wave move. So I am either considering it right now an overshooting wave B or a leading diagonal, or not leading diagonal, a wave 1 within an ending diagonal in this fifth wave to the upside. So in the green interpretation, we would have had the fourth wave and here, and then we would now be in the fifth wave, but still we are very likely to push further down within the support zone in both scenarios. I am still of the opinion that within this structure we are still tracking an ABC still to take us lower. Now, with that said, we can focus still on the idea that we have our support zone in green, and we are still within the yellow movement here, where we had completed an A wave down and we are now within a B wave that should find resistance in the area between the $273 up to the $332 level at the 78.6% retracement. Now, so far, we did get a deeper retracement finally. As I was mentioning in the previous video, we were kind of looking forward for this to see more clearly what kind of structure we are dealing with, and I can say that this structurally looks very fine for a 5-wave move to the upside, either as a wave A or a wave 1, doesn't matter at all right now. And yeah, this would be how the count would play out. Now, the RSI rather suggests that on multiple time frames actually, that this is actually picking up steam. And yeah, we can even see within the structure that this fifth wave is actually much stronger than or impulsive, at least directly impulsive, than this third wave was. So I'm still open to the idea that this could be a series of 1-2 1-2 1-2 setups that are developing, but then I wouldn't necessarily focus on a trade for this at all, to be honest, because there is still quite a lot of risk that we could break down. This 1-2 could easily fail. It's on a very small time frame and it is extremely fragile. But instead, what I would focus on for a possible trade, if you are interested, would be for this idea of a larger 1-2 or AB, doesn't really matter. And then we would be looking for support in the area between the $245 level down to the $233 at the 78.6% retracement. With that said, there isn't much to add right now. We could consider that this is developing still the movement to the downside. I don't see yet a significant bottom here, and if we are looking for a 5-wave move to even develop to the downside, we can allow, in this case, for up to the 50% retracement at the $252.7 level. We didn't quite get there yet, so it is, in my opinion, still possible that this is developing a small 5-wave move to the downside. We can discuss a little later on the actual structure in which this correction may end. If it is a correction, I do find it more probable that we are still within an uptrend within this larger wave B, as mentioned previously. Yeah, overall I would still be looking for lower once this is complete, but really only focusing on that after we get a larger ABC pattern within this wave B. So for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.